Hey budget friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am an Australian cash stuffer and I follow the zero-based budget method. If you are returning, thank you so much for your ongoing support. I really appreciate it, and I just cannot wait to go on this journey with you guys. So in today's video we will be doing a cash stuffing for week 2 of February. If you are interested, stick around, but let's get cash stuffing. Okay, so starting off with my wallet, and we're gonna head straight to food shop. Bub won't be getting anything for this week. Food shop will be getting 130, and we are just using the old notes for now. So 130, and this will be just to cover our expenses. Our vegetables, and just snacks and stuff like that. Nothing to do with meat for now. Fuel will be getting its usual $70 because I'm thinking of that's my usual amount, but I'm thinking of increasing the amount for now, just because of the spike in fuel prices, but we will do that soon. Takeout will be getting $30. Now I have reduced takeout only because our priorities with our money is the holiday that is coming up in February, in 2 more weeks. So we do want to save as much as we can, and that is done for my wallet. Nothing in coins. So we are done stuffing my wallet. Okay, so onto my short-term binder, and we will go ahead to birthdays. So birthday will be getting its usual $40, so 20, 40. So now birthday has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, so $160 in birthdays. And I've done the tracker off camera, so I will be putting the tracker at the same time while stuffing the envelope. Family time won't be getting anything, date won't be getting anything, events won't be getting anything, health will be getting $5. So now it has 10, 15, 20. Luna, which is our four-legged friend, she will be getting $5. So now she has 5, 10, 15. Household will be getting $10. And our vacuum broke, so we definitely want a bit of money for our vacuum. We need to save a little bit of money. So household now has 20, 30, 45. And the thing is, a lot of these envelopes are getting the bare minimum, only because our priority is to put our cash money or our finances to our holiday that's coming up. So we definitely are doing the bare minimum, and we're not stuffing all of our envelopes or binders for now, but when we do come back, it's definitely just crazy. Like we're just going to go forward, and we're going to move forward and fast and whatever it is. We're just going to do a what is it? What's that saying called? Steam ahead or something like that. It's something to do with train. Anyway, I'm rambling on. So house insurance And this is towards our March month. So it will be getting 20. So now I have 40. Meat shop will be getting 20. So now it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. Now I've decided that I'm going to use the meat shop next month, only because our holiday is coming up, and yeah, we just don't want to be buying meat and leaving it in the freezer or fridge when we're not here anyway. So yeah, it will, I think it's definitely, that envelope is definitely going to have a little bit of money in it, but yeah, it will be good. So we are done stuffing our short-term binder. Okay, so onto our long-term binder, and last cash stuffing we managed to stuff $10 into our Christmas for the first time this year, and we're going to do the same. So we're going to add $10. So now Christmas has 20. Now the goal by the end of this year is to have 2,000 in that in this envelope. So that is our goal, and you guys will get to see how I will save that amount. Obviously $10 each pay or each week of the week only gives me like less than $500, so we definitely have to amp up on this envelope. Grandmama, she's currently in Melbourne, so she'll be getting $5, and this is to save when she does come back to Darwin. So she has 55. Jim will be getting $5, and Jim has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50, 70, 90, $705. Now the goal for Jim is to have our both me and my partner's membership paid for the following year, which is this year. But because of COVID, it's backdated to, I think, May, So we do have time to save 1,000 for this particular envelope. And we are nearly close there. We're close to that amount. Tires. This is just a representation of what's in the bank for tires if we do need to buy a set of them. So onto our holiday. Now we're putting all of this money in, so let's count together. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 50. So 650 this week will be put into our holiday fund. So let's add that into the pile. This is definitely getting very thick. Like, this is super thick for my holiday. I reckon it's going to be really soon where we're able to pop this envelope as much as we want to, as much as we can. So we have 1,000, 2,000 in the bank as a representation of what's in the bank, sorry. And in cash we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1,000. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 2,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 53,000. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 4,000. and 51, 10, 5, 10. So we've got altogether 4,110 and 2,000 in the bank. So altogether we have $6,110, which is such an amazing amount. Now let's try and fit that. Oh, it does. I love the laminated envelopes. It definitely gives me great confidence that it's going to fit a lot more money with these envelopes. So yeah, so 6,000 in here, well 4,000 in cash in here. So that's definitely very thick. I definitely want to do a bill swap soon. So we are done stuffing my long-term binder. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Have a lovely day.